Can you hear me now? Prepping. Oh, look, all the flowers fell off the Singapore orange. You did this, damn it. You're behind this. What do these smell like, you think? The fruit stripes bubblegum shit?
Yeah. That combination of strawberry and something.
Getting ready for the storm. Kelly put all the plants down here for me. She nice.
You're recovering.
Well, most of them. It looks like a little plumeria forest.
I wanted to make a pathway through it.
The slugs are going to get in there and wreak havoc.
Probably. I think I got rid of them.
We'll have plenty of water, I assume. Hey, we could just run the hose and just water the plants over and over again. Just leave them in there afterwards. And fall in the pool. What's today? Friday? Friday. Storm's supposed to hit Sunday. Hopefully this tree will get knocked down into this lady's house and it'll make the world happy. Wouldn't that be funny? If the tree fell like 7 days before they're gonna cut it. Hopefully this awning will stay up actually. Here's the white plumeria. This one was a cutting that I got, and it was a fresh cutting and I didn't know, and I planted it like literally the day he cut it, and it's looks the healthiest out of any plumerias I have going right now. But the Singapore oranges, the last of them opened. Looks like new inflow. But very pretty flower. Thank you, Kelly. I love it. You see the difference in the size of the leaves. And then the flowers, of course. We have a few flowers left on this one before the storm. We'll see what it does afterwards. These ones should be safe. But everything else is in the pool, in the swimming pool.
Right along with kitty cat. We have our ocean inspector,
Oh,
Captain Todd.
forgot. This thing opened up some more. This is the prettiest, like, pink one, I think. This one's always the happiest. And this one is very pissed. I don't know if it's too much water, it's too high. I haven't figured out what's wrong with it. Oh, you hear the squirrels bitching? And this one is the one that had a little bit of root rot. Looks like it's starting to heal up, but the flowers just aren't doing it. No flowers. That little dead one when it came try to come out. Somebody asked, or actually told me I have too much water or too much moisture in the dirt. These things are filled with bark and peat moss, man. There's about 4 inches of dirt on the top, and then everything on there, it's like an orchid mix, because I'm trying to stretch the roots, if you watched any of the other videos. But yeah, there's really no moisture in there at all, man, so don't stress it. But yeah, this one definitely is overwatered. So I might want to pull that one up before I pull these other ones up and fix it. And these are the ones that are going out front. This is another deep pink. It's about 4 foot tall, looks like. Light pink and a white. And then this funky yellow with all the mutated ends that I'm gonna graft. I got 3 good angles I can graft from there, and then 2 from there, and another one from there. But I'm gonna try to make that like probably like a 3 or 4 color plumeria. I think that'd be cool. But just a quick update. Oh yeah, this one. This little guy, he's happy. He's the only guy that's not getting his roots stretched. So. And just some more rocks in this Echeveria. Echeveria. Sometimes mistaken for the echinacea. And this is her other one with its big long thingy. Aloe. We grow enough aloe to have aloe for everyone, but we never use it, so if you're in need of aloe, holla. Oh yeah, little jade plant.
Someone threw in the dumpster at my work.
Oh, the dumpster fine. These are all our rescue plants, all our roadside scores, except for the bougainvilleas. Those are the ones that are just store-bought, and we're stretching them, making them taller. Oh yeah, the purslines are propagated. You've seen them in other videos. There's about tons of them down there. But those are fun ones to propagate. They're easy. They're like Plumeria 101. If you get those down, plumerias would be no problem for you. Those ones, you just cut them, stick them in the dirt, and they grow. Kind of like plumeria. I noticed that people are more interested in that one with the thumbnail with the bottle. You ever see the one I did with the bottles? Like people click on it. It worked good. I mean, that's actually the one that was in the bottle. It was all the big potted ones. So yeah, they grew fine, but it was just a pain in the ass to get them out of the bottles. I mean, really. I mean, it is no easier than just sticking them in the ground. So I say the stick in the ground method, go for it. But everyone have a safe weekend, I guess. Everyone in Florida. And thanks for tuning in.